Hi, this is Rugged Cams, and we're going to be talking about our Guard Player software that we utilize for our Enviro Cams line of products. Just a real quick video and a fast explanation on what Guard Player is. You will find it on the thumb drive that we've provided with your system, so if you go ahead and plug it in, open it up to view the contents, you will find the Guard Player software right here. I'm not going to run you through the install process. It's pretty basic, pretty simple. Just give it a double click and follow the on-screen prompts. But what this software is going to allow you to do is review any footage that you've downloaded from your system with our Guard Station software, or even directly from the NVR itself. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And the reason that we have provided the Guard players is because there are a lot of people who have computers that would otherwise be considered up to date, but their codec packs are not. And without a proper player, you may run into issues with reviewing the downloaded footage. So if you've already have footage downloaded, you just go ahead and hit open file, and you'll go to the folder that you've created, and you'll be able to launch and review your footage, fairly quickly. This is a piece of software that you're going to want to give to customers that are angry you've damaged their car, police for their investigation, or the insurance guy for a damage claim, so that the footage that you've given them, they don't run into any issues playing. And that's pretty much all there is to this one. If you have any questions, though, give us a call, 866-283-6003. All right, you guys have a great day.